What's up, YouTube? Mike here, coming at you with another video. This one is with my son Aaron. He wanted to show off his collection. He hasn't been collecting for too long, but I just thought this would be fun for both of us and kind of let you guys see what he's got. First, out of 09-10 Crown Royale, we got Blake Griffin, Hashim Tabit, and James Harden. Out of Rookies and Stars, 10-11, jersey card of Xavier Henry. Out of 2010 Playoff Contenders, Danny Woodhead autograph. I'm sorry, Danny Woodhead base. I'm used to saying autograph. Alright, 10-11 Playoff Contenders patches. Stephen Curry, numbered to 299. Die cut there. Out of, and this is obviously in no particular order, out of this year's Crown Royale, numbered to 299. I'm sorry, 2011 Crown Royale, Greg Little, silhouette patch autograph. So that's very nice. And if you guys are interested in any of these, just let me know, and I will talk to Aaron and see if he would be see if he'd be willing to trade one of them. Out of 2009-10 certified freshman fabric of DeMar Carroll, and then also Jordan Hill out of the same product. And I want to say the Jordan Hill is numbered out of 399, and that one's, I believe, out of 50. It's the blue parallel. Out of 2010-11 contender patches rookie ticket of Sharon Collins and Solomon Alabi, however you pronounce that. I don't think he's in the league anymore, but still a really nice autograph there. Next, out of Topps Inception, 2011, out of 900, Vincent Brown. And Aaron's going to show you what he has left, some, I think, WWE cards.
This is Ringside Relic, Matt Hardy, his worn shirt.
There you go. Good job.
And Superstar Swan.
Yeah, Superstar Swatch.
Oh, and John Cena and his authentic Isn't worn shirt.
Can't see it. There you go. There you go.
And authentic relic event used Matt Batista and Paul Burchill.
Paul Burchill. Authentic relic.
And last, Giants Buster Posey.
It's out of Topps. His base rookie card out of Topps. So that's it, guys. That is his collection. Like I said, if you're interested, he would be willing to trade. Just let me know, and I'll get back to him. You guys have a good one.